and nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. In this Weekbit session or season, we would like to show how the 59 antennas shielding is made with a little tin solder, and here are the parts. These are the shielding parts, and they come to the electronic and shield them on the top. So we would like to see that here. We have a thing here. This is correct. Look, these are the top cover. The top cover comes up here and close the, it goes here. Comes up here if the thing is installed, and this will be shielded from the RF for the coils. But the passivation on this material is so strange. I would like to show you this. In that case, I run 400 degrees Celsius on the on the soldering iron. It's hot for a solder joint, but for this not, because we must take these flux. These flux are soldering flux. You see this here? It's from Bojack. I don't get paid for that, but it's from Bojack, and I ordered this at AliExpress. No, not at AliExpress, Alibaba. No, not Alibaba, at Amazon, sorry. That's so. We put one here, 1 point here. In all the corners we must solder this. And the passivation was not good. It is, so what shall I do? Now I take the green one. The green one solder is from Bella. It's a good one solder. It's expensive, but it holds up the certification. And we would like to solder with the RoHS conformity. This is not with lead. And maybe that's the point why it's not so good to solder. Now you can see, here we are, we must solder in the corners, because during the installation on the motherboard, we should solder it then there in the corner, and so I cannot do that as well. So, and absurd, doesn't fit, doesn't hold. I don't know why. Sometimes, oh, this is good. Now it's holding. And we do that the whole day and the whole night, solder this, because I say to Harry, who produced this metal, he should make it that I can solder it. But it's flamed. What shall I say? It's not good. Okay, here we go. I'll show you this. All these parts must be with a solder joint, and then I can build it in to this thing here. Look, I must also isolate it here with a tape, and so this is finished, and it would be installed on here. You see, this is the motherboard, and this comes here, over here, to these pins. Bend the pins a little bit. It must be soldered here in the corners. This is the shielding for the RF meter. It's here around, and we install it here. You see? Super. If this is installed, then we can close the box, and we are installing the rest of the. So now it's installed here. Look, this is the shielding. if it's soldered, then it's flat on the it's around here, and on the back it's other shielding. It's the back side. We have that here. You can see that. We have that here. This will be installed like this. Yeah. And so the connections inside screwed in the box with some screws here in the corners. This will be made step by step, so you can see this is a lot of work. Yeah. It's a lot of work to do this. Next. It's hard to solder. Have no contact, and then it comes a point there it have a contact. Look now, there we go. But this is maybe we should solder with 500 degrees or so. Maybe it depends on the temperature. I don't know what's happened with this. I turn now on the soldering iron to 480 degrees. Maybe it's better 480 degrees. Huh? Could it be? Yeah, it's better. It's much better, look. 480 degrees is much better. Okay, I see. But it's very dangerous for my fingers. Oh, really? It's working. 480 degrees. It must be soldered much higher. 480 degrees, and we have a watch here. Oh, unbelievable. It's working with this high power. Okay, it's working with the high power 480 degrees. But how long my solder pin holds this high temperature? This is a big question. Okay, it's working. Look, it's working. But it's very hot for my solder joint. 400 is too less. Maybe 430 is also going. Look. I know the focus is not good, but now the focus is good. Here, you see on all corners we have the solder, and we do that with this high temperature. This is a good thing to do. Yes, this was the 59 antennas project, the shielding, how we solder on the shielding, and with 480 degrees Celsius it works, but it's not so easy to produce this SWR meter, and yeah, I hope so. You have a little view in the 59 antennas project for the antenna. Furthermore, I would like to make videos with this antenna project, and yeah, we would like to see. Yeah. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.